you have to do that. Oh! Gee whiz, Mommy. That was a wheel. Here I come now. Here I come, Mommy. Here I come. I'm gonna get you. You don't have to do that. Get you for that. That really hurt. Don't you ever do that. That was wrong. I'm gonna get you. Oh my God, this baby's crazy. And next time, I'm not gonna let you get off so easy. Now I'm gonna get you. Yeah! Yeah, get away. Yeah. That was a really stupid idea, and I'm gonna kill you!
For you once and for all.
What are you gonna do? No, what are you doing? No, leave me alone! No! No, what are you gonna do? No, what are you gonna do? Please, don't hurt me. No, don't do that! What are you doing? No, what are you doing?
Shut up, because I'm going to kill you.
No, you can't, Mommy! Mommy, don't kill me! No! Mommy, what are you doing? Ah, my head! Mommy!
Your mom's just your babysitter.